Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the logical expansion. Now that we have seen how to modify and set a specific forgetting index for many elements at once, now it's turn to know when. If I set a high number, I increase it, decrease it, set a specific number, when that is useful. So I have a few different scenarios. Next is standardizing new material. This is if I have imported something. Could be that we have to differentiate. New material means it's not from a different collection. Perhaps your collection, you just merge the collection and that's it. No, because it's not new. It will be memorized with repetitions already and so on. It's when it's brand new, let's say it's an advanced English collection, or whatever thing you import, or with artificial intelligence, something that you have never seen in your life. The flashcards are not yours. So what you can do is, since the flashcards are not mine, let me put a lower forgetting index. Could be one case. I want to prevent, because I may assume that since I skipped the learning, it will be harder for me. It will be more challenging to remember those flashcards. Or could be that I imported, the other case within this, that if we consider new material a branch that I imported or a collection that I merged, strictly speaking it's not new, but to simplify, I don't know what the other collection had because, so this is an important point. So it's the default, it's a pointer. But what if I now move and merge this collection to my main collection? Everything in one go. That collection has a different forgetting index, default forgetting index. Let's say that my main collection is 10, but in this collection it's not. It's 8. So what I could want is, let me set a specific case, let me hard code, even if it's the same, my default is the same as the element, let me hard code it, because I don't want the pointer of the default, I want the number. Because once I merge this to the collection, stays that number. Because if it's the pointer will be from that other collection, and the default forgetting index will be different. That's one use case, is a detail, very tiny detail, but if you merge collections, this will have a consequence that you will not be aware of. And if it's like me, that I merge more than 40,000 or 60,000 memorized items, it's a big deal. Because that means that 14,000 items, which forgetting index was 10, now their forgetting index is 8%. That will be a lot more repetitions in the long term. That's what I wanted. And I was not even aware of that. And it was a matter of 2 clicks before I did the merge. Well, I mean, you can do it afterwards as well, but if you want to really know the number ahead of time, I will do it ahead of time as an extra precaution. See you in the next video.